Hey folks, scattered showers and some embedded thunder showers continue moving east to west across the valley. Heaviest rain right now right here in the southwest corner of Hidalgo County and moving into Starr County and along the Rio Grande. Scattered stuff to the north of us as well. Bigger picture shows all this moisture offshore continuing to push in, and then a bunch of rain over in the mountains to the west of us in Mexico. We'll take a closer look at that the next half hour. And what about the water falling in the watershed? Because that's where Fernand is ending up. A lot of the moisture ending up over in the watershed to the west of us. So we'll track that in just a little bit. But you can tell by the looks of this, there's not much left out offshore where Fernand made landfall earlier today, but there's still moisture up here close to us. I think we'll continue to see just scattered showers across the area, little waves of rain come across, like what we saw today. It doesn't rain continuously, but it rains for a while, then it quits. Then it comes on hard for a while and it quits. Same kind of thing possible tonight into tomorrow as well. So you've got all this moisture still sitting out here, and all that will continue moving westward across deep South Texas and northeast Mexico tonight into tomorrow, even though Fernand is just about done. Right now the winds are still 35. It's a depression now, moving west-northwest at about 9. There are the coordinates on your Channel 5 Whataburger hurricane tracking map. West of La Pesca right now, it moves into the mountains, and tomorrow morning that's it. That'll be the last advisory by Thursday morning. Tomorrow morning at about 8 or 9 o'clock in the morning, it'll be gone, and that'll be the end of that. We don't expect it to be a tropical entity anymore, but it'll continue to produce rain as it does that. Now for us, things quiet down for a time tonight and even tomorrow. A lot of the day will be quiet, but then I think scattered showers, even a thunder shower mixed in, still possible tomorrow. Not widespread, not everybody gets rain, but there'll be a little activity around. I think Friday, even less activity, about a 30% probability something Friday, and then Saturday should be a mainly dry day across the region. By then, most of that tropical moisture has moved on out of here. How much more rain are we looking at? Not a lot, really. I mean, Future Track suggests we may see as much as 1 to 3 inches between now and Friday, but I think that may be exceptional, 1 to 2. Some areas seeing even less than that, less than a half an inch. So really, you're not looking at a whole lot more today. Last night and today kind of the peak, and now things taper off after this. Now here's what we're looking at: 60% tomorrow, 30% Friday, and pretty much dry by the time we get to Saturday. So we peak today, and then it stair steps back down. Here's what's going to happen with temperatures. Right now, we're in the 80s, 81 in Rio Grande City, 87 McAllen, 86 Harlingen, and in Port Isabel. Overnight tonight, temperatures bottom out in the upper 70s again under mostly cloudy skies, about 81 at the beach. And then tomorrow, we're back closer to normal, but still a little below, about 90 in the Mid-Valley. Easterly winds at 5 to 15, cooler at the beach, about 85 at South Padre. Normal high this time of year is 94. We're going to stay below that at 90, then 93. By Saturday, we should be closer to normal at 94. There is Dorian still churning up the southeast coast of the USA with 110-mile-per-hour winds, now 140 miles to the south of Charleston, sideswiping the South Carolina, then the North Carolina coast, then moving up the east coast, staying out at sea after that, but boy, coming close to the northeastern part of the United States, but missing most of it. Look how active the tropics are. Juliet in the Pacific, there's Fernand, there's Dorian. This system going that way has a 60% chance of developing. Gabrielle formed today going to the northwest. Should stay out in the open Atlantic. And this system that's 10 days away from even the Caribbean has a 50% chance of developing over the next 5 days. So the tropics becoming very active. Your first 1 5 AccuWeather forecast for tonight, then scattered showers and an isolated thunderstorm or two in the upper 70s. Tomorrow back to 90 with leftover showers and storms. Your chance of rain tomorrow stands at about 60%, not as active as today. The next 3 days, we kind of taper the rain chances off and then just keep a slight mention of a shower in there for much of next week. Still a lot of tropical moisture here. The door is still open, so spotty showers possible each day, primarily along the sea breeze. That's your updated First 1 5 AccuWeather forecast.